Hello everyone, welcome to Reflections number 11. This one is all about vertigo, feeling dizzy, or just being off. Super simple body geometry, extremely powerful when we go ahead and we mix it with the violet flame decrees and the sacred geometry. It's going to be over the top. So, this is number 13 over probably the course of the last 2 or 3 months, and I have 105 of these to get through. And sometimes people leave comments. I kind of thrive on comments. So like if you leave a comment, that gives me, a good, clear indication of what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong. So, if you feel compelled and you're watching any of these and you want to leave a comment, please do. You want to give a like, that's great. The more direct you are with me, the more I can tune these reflections to serve you in the coming years to come. So we're going to rock this one. Okay, just listen, watch the geometry on the screen, listen to the violet flame decree, and then we're going to do the body geometry. The combination of all three of these is very potent to help move us forward in whatever the topic is. And of course, this one is to help vertigo, dizziness, and if you're just feeling off, it brings you back into alignment so quickly. So here we go with the violet flame decree. Just concentrate on the body geometry. On the sacred geometry. In the radiant presence of the violet flame, I summon its transformational energies to dissolve the veil of vertigo, dizziness, and imbalance that inflicts my being. With unwavering faith, I decree the violet flame flows through me, restoring equilibrium and harmony to every facet of my experience. I surrender to its divine power, allowing it to transmute any underlying causes of disorientation or unease, replacing them with a profound sense of stability, clarity, and vitality. As the violet flame purifies and uplifts me, I am restored to a state of perfect balance, grounded in the infinite love and wisdom of the universe. So be it, and so it is. So that one has me going. That was pretty profound. So for the body geometry, we're going to go ahead and we're going to create that classic V. As soon as we create the V, it creates a spiraling vortex of energy that just comes right down in front of us. From here, I want you to breathe through your mouth, exhaling through your nose 3 times. With your left palm out, I want you to bring your thumb in. Bring your pointy finger down and wrap your thumb around it just like that. We'll leave it here. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to bring our pointy finger down. We're going to wrap our thumb and just kind of bring your other 3 fingers together if you can. If it's difficult, it's okay. Just remember, folks, there's no right way, there's no wrong way. There's only the perfect way to do these body geometries. And the universe is infinite in knowingness of how we're doing. And just the very act of doing these just creates so much power to bring to bear in whatever you want to clean up. So from here, you just want to breathe 3 times through your nose. Through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. And just feel that vitality and restoration to the vertigo, the dizziness, and just feeling off in general. This is a beautiful one, folks. Enjoy it. It's amazing.